Hey there, riders and thrill seekers. Welcome back to Channel, your ultimate stop for the coolest and most game-changing gear on Amazon. Today, we're diving into 20 of the newest, smartest, and downright coolest bike gadgets every cyclist needs in 2026. From mind-blowing safety tech to ride-boosting accessories, we've got it all lined up. So, buckle up your helmets, hit that like button, and let's roll straight into number 1. Number 1. Seatylock Hybrid Saddle Lock. Ever worried about your bike getting stolen while grabbing a quick coffee? The Seatylock Hybrid Saddle Lock is your all-in-one solution. It's a comfortable, ergonomic seat that transforms into a solid steel bike lock in seconds. Made with hardened metal links and a weatherproof coating, it delivers both comfort and protection. No need to carry an extra lock. This genius hybrid turns your saddle into a fortress. Safe, sleek, and simply brilliant. Number 2. Victoper Bright Bike Light Set. Night rides can be thrilling, but dangerous without visibility. Enter the Victoper Bright Bike Light Set. With a powerful front headlamp and rear tail light, this set illuminates your path up to 200 meters ahead. Featuring USB rechargeability, multiple brightness modes, and a waterproof build, it ensures you're visible in any weather. Compact yet mighty, this light set makes you shine like a moving star on every ride. Number 3. Cycplus Speed Cadence Sensor. Tired of guessing your pace and performance? The Cycplus Speed Cadence sensor turns every ride into a data-driven experience. Using Bluetooth and ANT Plus connectivity, it syncs with cycling apps and smartwatches for real-time stats. Lightweight and easy to install, it tracks your speed, cadence, and distance with precision. Whether you're training or just cruising, this sensor helps you ride smarter, not harder. Every pedal counts when you've got Cycplus tech on board. Number 4. Apace LED Clip-on Safety Lights. Cycling in low light? Don't blend in, stand out. The Apace LED clip-on safety lights make you visible from all angles. These ultra-bright LEDs clip easily onto your backpack, bike, or helmet. With steady and flashing modes, rechargeable batteries, and weather resistance, they're built for any adventure. Tiny but mighty, these lights ensure drivers see you from afar. Ride boldly, ride brightly. Safety never looked this cool. Number 5. Cyctravel Glueless Tire Patch Kit. Flat tire mid-ride? No problem. The Cyctravel Glueless Tire Patch Kit gets you rolling again in seconds. No glue, no mess. Just peel, stick, and seal. The compact waterproof case fits right in your saddlebag. Made for all tire types, it's a lifesaver on rough roads or long trails. With these instant patches, you'll never let a puncture stop your adventure. Quick fixes have never been this easy or reliable. Number 6. Redcomets Handlebar Extender Charger. Running out of space for all your gadgets? The Redcomets Handlebar Extender Charger provides extra room and power. Made from lightweight aluminum alloy, it mounts easily and features a built-in USB charging port. Attach your phone, GoPro, or GPS and keep everything powered up. Sleek, durable, and multifunctional, it's the perfect upgrade for tech-savvy riders who prefer their handlebars neat and organized. Number 7. Insta360 X5 Action Camera. Capture every ride like a pro. The Insta360 X5 Action Camera delivers jaw-dropping 5.7K resolution with full 360-degree coverage. Rain or shine, it's waterproof and ultra-stabilized. With AI auto-tracking and horizon lock, your shots stay cinematic no matter how wild your ride gets. Mount it on your helmet or handlebars and relive every curve, climb, and downhill thrill. This isn't just a camera, it's your ticket to epic storytelling on wheels. Number 8. Rockbros Hidden MTB Bell. Want a clean look but still need a bell? The Rockbros Hidden MTB Bell keeps your handlebars sleek while alerting others with a crisp, clear tone. Designed with an invisible low-profile body, it blends seamlessly into your bike. Made from durable alloy and stainless steel, it resists rust and vibration. A quick flick delivers a sharp ding that cuts through traffic noise. Stylish safety at its finest. Number 9. Mcronji Delta Cycling Shoes. Looking for next-level comfort and power? The Mcronji Delta cycling shoes lock your feet into perfect riding form, featuring a breathable mesh upper, stiff carbon fiber sole, and precision ratchet system. They maximize pedal efficiency and comfort. Whether on road or trail, every push feels smoother and faster. Sleek design, pro-level grip. These shoes aren't just footwear, they're performance boosters for serious cyclists. Number 10. Lisen military-grade phone. Mount phones falling off during rides? Not anymore. The Lisen military-grade phone mount clamps your device securely even on bumpy trails. Built from high-strength aluminum with shock absorption, it holds firm through every twist and turn. It rotates 360 degrees, letting you navigate or record with ease. With anti-slip grips and one-hand operation, it's the most stable and versatile phone mount you'll ever own. Number 11. HTZ Ploo. Anti-slip bike gloves. Sweaty palms ruining your control. The HTZ Ploo anti-slip bike gloves are built for ultimate grip and comfort. Made from breathable mesh with gel-padded palms, they absorb shock and reduce fatigue. Touchscreen fingertips let you use your phone without taking them off. Flexible, lightweight, and durable, these gloves keep your hands protected and your steering precise. Ride longer, grip stronger, and stay in control. Number 12. Martronic Scooter. LED. Light set. Illuminate your night rides like never before with the Martronic Scooter LED light set. Designed for both bikes and scooters, it delivers vibrant, multicolor lighting that turns heads and enhances visibility. USB rechargeable and waterproof, it's easy to mount and lasts hours on a single charge. Customize your glow, light up your frame, and ride with futuristic flair. Who says safety can't look stunning? Number 13. Cycletour Tube Repair Kit. Every cyclist needs a reliable backup. The Cycletour Tube Repair Kit packs all essentials: patches, tools, levers, and glue in one portable case. Its compact size fits any saddlebag, yet it's powerful enough to fix any puncture in minutes. Whether you're commuting or adventuring off-road, this kit keeps you prepared. It's the difference between walking your bike and riding it home with pride. Number 14. Polarized Sports. Cycling, sunglasses, blinding sun and dust storms, no match for the Polarized Sports cycling sunglasses. They block harmful UV rays while enhancing contrast and clarity. Lightweight polycarbonate lenses resist impact, and adjustable frames fit any face comfortably. Perfect for long rides, mountain trails, or city streets. These shades keep your eyes safe and your vision sharp. Stylish protection that performs as hard as you ride. Number 15. Briskmore Rear View. Bike mirror. Keep your eyes forward, but your awareness full circle. The Briskmore Rear View bike mirror gives you a clear, wide-angle view of traffic behind you. Its anti-glare glass and adjustable arm make it easy to position for maximum safety. Built with high-impact nylon and stainless steel, it's vibration-free and weatherproof. A small gadget that adds huge peace of mind, because seeing behind means staying ahead. Number 16. Fantic X9. Ace. Mini bike. Pump. Low tire pressure, ruining your speed. The Fantic X9. Ace Mini Bike Pump is your compact rescue hero. Small enough to fit in your pocket, yet powerful enough to reach high PSI in seconds. With a digital display, auto stop, and rechargeable battery, it delivers effortless inflation anywhere. Lightweight, precise, and built to last. This mini pump keeps your ride smooth, fast, and unstoppable. Number 17. Rehook Quick Chain Tool. Dropped chains are a nightmare, but not with the Rehook Quick Chain Tool. This pocket-sized marvel helps you fix your chain in seconds without dirty hands. Its ergonomic design grabs and repositions the chain effortlessly, perfect for roadside emergencies or muddy trail mishaps. Compact, durable, and ingenious, it's a tool every cyclist should carry. Ride prepared, fix fast, and keep your hands clean. Number 18. Zyren 120 to 140 decibel bike horn with LED. Need to cut through traffic noise? The Zyren bike horn blasts a massive 120 to 140 decibels, loud enough to be heard from blocks away. It doubles as an LED light, adding visibility during night rides. Rechargeable, weatherproof, and handlebar mounted, it's built for both safety and convenience. Make your presence known, loud and clear, with this powerful 2-in-1 horn. Number 19. 8-Pack Bicycle Accessories Set. New to cycling, the 8-Pack Bicycle Accessories set has everything you need to start strong. It includes a pump, lights, lock, tools, patches, and more, all packed in a durable carry case. Each piece is designed for everyday use and long-lasting performance. Perfect for beginners or as a gift, this all-in-one set transforms any basic bike into a ready-for-anything machine. Value, versatility, and convenience in one package. Number 20. Titancur Heavy-Duty Chain Lock. Worried about parking in public places? The Titancur Heavy-Duty Chain Lock gives unmatched protection. Made from manganese steel with a thick nylon sleeve, it's resistant to cutting, sawing, and corrosion. The hardened lock cylinder adds an extra layer of security. Whether you're in the city or at a trail stop, this beast of a lock keeps your bike right where you left it. Solid, strong, and built for peace of mind. And there you have it, 20 of the coolest, smartest bike gadgets on Amazon that'll completely transform your rides. Which one would you grab first? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for today's featured gear. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and keep exploring with style.